be slow, you gotta have speed. So you gotta have an action camera that can handle it. I mean, I'm trying to put the pocket up there so you can see. Woo. Alright guys, I'm over here in extreme blue. I'm gonna go out and see if I the DJI Pocket can do it better. See that, guys? Who's gonna be out here filming me? No one. So I have to depend on myself to get my video going. Just trying to get warmed up. We see, guys? Let's see. God, the water's freaking cold. Last week was not. Now I got colder. Woohoo! Alright guys, I want to go ahead and use my Wi-Fi. And then I want to go ahead and see if I can carry Osmo Pocket in this extreme environment. So I got the Osmo Pocket right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can still use the Wi-Fi controlling it all the way be here. I think it's too far away, but hey, it's a try. Hopefully I can make it and go from here. Yeah, I can still have the Wi-Fi here. It's gonna be an interesting one. Whew. All right, do not try this if you never done it. Woo! So simple, right? Why don't we just use GoPro for this? All right, and then you're gonna go ahead and hold on. Gonna go, there you go. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if it can track me. Okay, let me see if it can track me. It looks like it's tracking me already. Alright, I gotta put this in my neck. Hopefully I don't lose my phone. Got it in my neck. We'll go ahead and see. Now we're gonna have a real drone. You probably lost track of me already, but we're gonna go ahead and see. Having an Osmo Pocket on the Kite on this extreme environment is totally totally crazy, but we're gonna make it, right? Here you go. Here's up. Okay, look like it's controlling. Woohoo! It's a drone out there. I gotta go ahead and pick this up. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see. Alright. Anyway guys, it's really amazing. I mean, you can use the Osmo Pocket. It's almost like a drone. You can see it here. It's actually like, you can see my side of my kite. It did its job. You can see here the Wi-Fi, it has a weak signal to it, but hey, I'm all the way up, almost 30 meters up, so with this capability, that's not bad. But I'm in the really extreme environment, very strong wind. I would not even recommend this for anyone. If you've never done kiteboarding or you're new at it, be careful. It's the hardest thing to do. See, if you guys out there, that are stuff that we had to do, it's not easy. I mean, multitasking, you see me having the phone, having the kite bars and name it. But you can see here the Osmo Pocket still let me allowed to look around because of the gimbal. And you can see here, and I'm trying my best to control the kite and the gimbal together. It's crazy. Okay.
You see how far I am? That's how far I am right now with this kite here. Let's go ahead and go this way. God, it's pulling too. So I'm gonna go. See, that's a good thing about it. Okay, I gotta go ahead and go this way. You see, guys? Oh shit! Oh crap! Ah, whoops! That was not good. See, it just fell in there. Wow.